The black cherry tomato is a tomato you should be growing. I grew it last year and it wasn't in a great location, so I didn't get that many off of the plant, but the ones I did get I loved. So this year I made sure to give my black cherry tomato plant a prime spot so it could thrive this year, and it sure has done just that. It's been pretty prolific for me and I've been able to harvest a handful every few days. To me, I feel like the plant is pretty disease resistant and I haven't seen any of these crack either, even on the hottest days. So let's cut one of these open and take a look inside. As you can see, it is very dark and pretty. Even the outside skin is very pretty too. It's a nice looking tomato. And the taste, it is so fruity with just a very light hint of tartness, but it goes down so smooth. To me, it kind of reminds me of the flavor of Cherry Lifesavers candy. That might just be me, but these are delicious and they are definitely a variety I choose to just snack on, and they will always have a place in my garden.